Hello, welcome to my class. Today is Monday, 1st June 2020. The topic some and any. Performance talking what there is. Okay? What there is. You have this topic in your book, textbook, page 24. Okay. In this moment, you can stop the video and copy the date, the topic, performance, and continue. But today, we invite to Mr. Frog. Yes. The people and the students say, hello, my students. How are you? I love you forever and ever. Very good, Mr. Frog. Okay, Mr. Please, the student copy in this moment the day, topic, and performance. Okay, quickly. Hi, Mr. Frog. Wait, that's the student. Yes. Are you finished? Are you finished? Quickly. Finish? Are you finished? Are you finished? Mr. Frog, please. The student can stop the video here. Okay, stop the video and copy. Okay, they know. Ellos saben, Mr. Frog. Okay, continue today. Pay attention to me. Some and any. What is the difference of some and any? We have a question. Are there any difference between some and any? ¿Existe alguna diferencia entre some and any? Mr. Frog, please. Eso es lo que vamos a aprender hoy, la diferencia entre some and any. Okay, we have in Spanish a little. Some, algunos. Por ahora vamos a aprendernos esto. Algunos, some, algunos. ¿Y qué significa eso? Cosita ahí. ¿Esta? Sí. Significa affirmative sentences. Some, we use some in affirmative sentences. Lo hubieras dicho antes. Ya pensé que eran más, son. Ay, buenísimo el chiste, buenísimo. Ok, continue. And any, ningún, ninguna. Okay, teacher. And this means negative sentences and interrogative. Pero por hoy vamos a ver negative sentences. Okay, teacher. Tenemos un paisaje. Look that. Wait for me. Wow! I like that. Okay, look. We have, look that. What can you see? Oh, I see a trees, grass, and a girl, woman. Okay, butterflies, very good, and flowers. Okay, pay attention. Cuando yo quiero decir, Mr. Frog, hay algunas flores. Yes, teacher. Yo digo, there are. ¿Para qué haces así? Pay attention. Pero no tienes que hacer así. Pay attention to me, Mr. Frog, please. Okay, teacher. I pay attention. Okay, así. Prefiero así. Okay. When you write in affirmative, there are some flowers. Hay algunas flores. ¿Sí ves? Ok. ¿Y cómo sería? Hay algunas mariposas. Los niños ya saben. Thank you. ¿Ya te dijeron? Yes. Ok, dilo tú. There are some butterflies. Muy bien. Affirmative. And negative. ¿Cuál utilizaríamos en negative? Any. Muy bien. There are any horses. Ok, sí, yo no veo. There are any frogs. Oh, yes. Ok, no se ven, no hay ninguno. Ok. Ok, teacher. And we continue. There are any frog, or only one. There are any frog, no hay ningún. Repito por ahí. Okay. Continue with the example. Nos dice, are there any butterflies? También utilizamos any para preguntar si hay algunas mariposas, ¿ok? Are there any butterflies? Decimos yes, there are some butterflies. Don't worry, no se preocupen, por ahora vamos pasito a pasito. Por favor, van a copiar en su cuadernito lo siguiente. Hasta aquí. Exacto. Decimos some. Lo utilizamos en affirmative, positive sentences, affirmative. Period. Pongamos aquí un punto. There are some butterflies. Estoy afirmando que hay algunas. No estoy contando, no estoy diciendo 1, 2, 3, no, algunas. Me es muy difícil ponerme a contar una por una en este momento, entonces es mejor decir algunas. Ok, teacher. And any negative sentences? There are not any horses. Okay, I need that you copy in your notebook this, okay? Please, and no more. Okay, bye my students. See you in the next class. Bye. Do you understand? Some and any. Some, algunos. Any, algún, ninguno. In negative, and some affirmative. Bye. See you.